Here's how you can simply convert Word to PowerPoint on your phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, open up your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using, and then search for the term convert Word to PowerPoint. And it's then going to show you a ton of websites you can use to convert Word to PowerPoint. But in this case, I like using the website called ilovepdf.com. So that's the website I'm going to use. But you can simply look for different websites that you can use to convert PDF, or rather Word, to PowerPoint. But in this case, the I Love PDF is not giving me the option to convert Word to PowerPoint. It's giving me the option to convert PDF to PowerPoint. So I'm going to have to look for a different website. So in this case, I'm going to simply use the first one, which is this one right over here that says convert Word to PowerPoint. So you can use whatever website you want. I'm simply going to select this one. Once you do that, what you want to do now is that you want to select the Word file. If it gives you this option, you can simply click on the Photos and Videos option and then locate your Word document. In this case, it's this one. And then what you want to do now is that you want to convert it to PowerPoint. You can select the versions, PowerPoint 2003, PowerPoint 2007, 2024, whatever you want to select. I'm just going to simply select the PowerPoint 2007 to 2024 option. And then if you want to add OCR, you can simply say with OCR, but if you don't want to, you can say no without OCR. And then what you want to do now is that you want to simply click on the convert option. Once you do that, your file is going to start uploading and processing at the same time before it downloads. And you can see it has automatically downloaded onto my files. So if I go over to my downloads, you can simply see that this document has been converted from Word to PowerPoint. So that's how you can simply convert from Word to PowerPoint on your phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.